Welcome. Today we'll solve a calculus problem involving parametric equations and derivatives. Let's look at the question. To solve this, we'll use the chain rule for parametric equations. Remember, for parametric equations, dy slash dx equals dy slash dt divided by dx slash dt. Let's start by finding dx slash dt. We begin with x equals times the quantity cosine t plus t sine t. When we differentiate this with respect to t using the product rule and chain rule, we get dx slash dt equals a times negative sine t plus t cosine t, which simplifies to a t cosine t. Now let's find dy slash dt. Starting with y equals a times the quantity sine t minus t cosine t. When we differentiate with respect to t, we get dy slash dt equals a times cosine t plus t sine t minus cosine t, which simplifies to a t sine t. Now, we can substitute these into our chain rule formula. dy slash dx equals dy slash dt over dx slash dt, which is a t sine t over a t cosine t. The a's and t's cancel out, leaving us with sine t over cosine t, which is equal to tangent t. Therefore, we have shown that the derivative dy slash dx equals tangent t. This is our final answer.